This is a 2015 Chevrolet 2500 HD Crew Cab. Red over black interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks, and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, home link for your garage door, trailer brake controls, OnStar CD player, automatic transmission, traction control, electronic climate control. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup sensors, lockable tailgate, backup camera, spray-in bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 6-liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles and AutoNation Honda, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.